What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day to review Amazon products. And this strategy, this method is super easy. Now, all you need is either a phone, a digital camera, or you need a webcam. It doesn't matter. Pick one and use it. Now, let's get into the video. Let me show you exactly how this works, all right? But if you stick around towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you a super cool thing that I like to use where you can get these products for almost nothing, almost free, all right? So let's jump into it. First thing you got to do, if you want to make money to promote Amazon products, the first thing that you want to do is become an Amazon associate. And you'll make up to 10% of the price that people pay. For example, let's say an iPhone costs $700. You're going to make, was it like 4% of that, or 5%, I don't know the exact numbers, but you're going to make a decent amount. Let me show you something. This right here is the table that shows how much money you're going to make, right? So look at this. Let's say right here at 5.5%. I sell a lot of tools, okay? That's the biggest thing that I sell, is mainly tools. Let's say the tool sells for $100. That's a normal tool. That tool that sold for $100, I'd make 5.5%. So I'd make $5.50 every single time somebody bought one tool. And most tools cost $200, $300, $400, even $500. So how does this work? So what we're essentially doing, and the reason why you need some type of camera, some type of recording device, is because we are going to create YouTube videos. Very simple YouTube videos where we physically have a product. For example, if I wanted to promote this, okay, this is the Logitech C615 digital camera HD webcam. If I wanted to promote that, I have it here. I can promote that. If I want to promote something else, this one right here, the Canon PowerShot ELPH 170 IS, I can do that because I have it here. I can do a quick little video of exactly how it works, the different functions, what I think about it, stick it on YouTube, okay? And it's going to be there forever. I can continue to make money years down the line. So look at this. Let me show you something. This right here, it's called borrowlenses.com, where you can borrow camera equipment. So maybe you do not have a good phone, you don't have a webcam, or you don't have the best DSLR or mirrorless camera. No big deal. You can come here and you can rent it. Or this website, and this one as well, called caterrent.com. The best part about these two sites is you can rent stuff and then you go and create the videos from those items. So in just a second, I'm going to show you how I kind of walk through the process. But here's a tip for you guys. If you don't want to go out and rent a camera, or you don't want to go out and rent different equipment to do a review on, the simplest thing, and one of the ways that I started, and I don't recommend doing this for a year and doing a new video every single day, but one of the things that I did is I went to Walmart and I would buy a product that wasn't in some type of packaging where I have to break a seal. And I'd buy a product, mostly tools, and I'd open them up, I'd do a review, and then I'd take them back to the store. Okay? That was something that I started doing years ago. I don't do that anymore. I don't really like that idea anymore, and I think it's pretty scammy, and it's not really the best thing to do. But if you do it, a couple times a month, you should be okay. But again, don't go and break a seal. Don't go and use the product. Okay? Make sure you take it back in the same condition you bought it in, and you should be good. All right? So here's a little tip for you guys. So let me show you how this works. So let's say right here, I came up to photo, and I came up to support equipment, and I clicked on rigs and stabilizers. That's where I am here. And so let's say I want to do a, let's just find something right here, the GoPro Hero 4 Karma Grip. Okay, so this right here, it's just a stabilizer. And if I wanted this one for the GoPro Hero 4, you can see right here, it has the stabilizer, and then it has a different attachment specifically for the Hero 4. This one cost me $35 for 7 days. But look at this. If I were to get this item on Amazon, let's say I bought it, I did a whole review on it, okay, everything was great. Somebody bought it, and they would have to buy this one right here, This one's a certified refurbished, so it's not brand new. Let's say they brought a brand new one. It's $299, and they'd also have to buy this right here. This is a different official attachment for the GoPro Hero 4, 20 bucks. So $320. If you come here, and I'm pretty sure like a lot of the camera equipment is going to be 4%. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So 4%, let's say $300 is what it came up to. 4% of $300 is 12 bucks. So you paid 35, but in one sale you make $12. 3 sales later, you would be you'd be profitable now. You would have made $1. Okay, and that's just if they only bought this equipment. Okay, but here, let's talk about how you get people to go and click on your video. Well, I came up here and I typed in GoPro Hero 4 Karma Grip. If you look over here, this is called TubeBuddy, and I'll put a link down below. It's a free like app you can use, and you can pay for a better option. You can pay for a better version. I pay for I think $19 a month, something like that, and it works extremely well. It's going to give you all this information. So if I wanted to go after GoPro Hero 4 Karma Grip, TubeBuddy says it's good that it has a 69 out of 100 rating because it has a decent amount of search volume but not a lot of competition, which is key. That's what you want. All right, so and if I go in here, you can see this one right here has 8,000 views. It was done a year ago. This one has 31,000 views. Was done a year ago. This one has 20,000. Done a year ago. 1.7 done a year ago. Okay, look at that. Only 297 subscribers and over almost 2,000 views. That's really good. Okay, this one right here, GoPro gimbal comparison, almost 58,000 subscribers, 435,000 views, done 2 years ago. If that person put an affiliate link to Amazon where they can go and buy these products, they did it from their video, I guarantee they're making good money. Now, you do not just need to do stuff on camera equipment either. Like I said, one of the things that I like to do a lot of reviews on are tools, and one of the reasons why, because I know a few people that do have construction companies, so I can actually go to their place of business, their office, their warehouse, whatever, and I can get some of the tools and do physical reviews, or I have them use the product, show me how to do it, and I'll just record that. And it makes it so easy because it's stuff they're already doing. If you go and find a photographer, you'll follow around a photographer that already has the equipment, let them use it, let them explain why they like it, and put that video on YouTube. If you have, let's say a chef or someone that is a baker, here's what I recommend. Come to caterrent.com. Okay, I've never used them. Okay, I have used Borrow Lenses before. I've never used Cater Rent, but I hear great things about them from like wedding planners and people like that. But come here and click on something. I actually came here and I clicked on mixers. You can see it right there. And let's say somebody wants a 5-quart mixer with the dough hook, whip, and a paddle. I can tell you right now, this is already going to be $250, $300. Because I know that because I have one. Okay, so let's say that's what I want. If I came over here, okay, to YouTube and I typed in best 5-quart stand mixer, you can see right here it is ranked good. There's not a lot of search volume, but there isn't a lot of competition either. If I came here, you're going to see 2 years ago, a year ago, 5 years ago. This one has 1.2 million. This one has 14,000 6 months ago. But that's the whole point, is you want to create something that people are already looking for. So people are looking for these types of videos. And because of that, you can go and create that. You have the product. It costs you $26 a day to rent. Maybe you only rent it for 1 day. Okay, and then you send it back. Okay, but all you need is for an hour or 2 hours to show how the product works, use it, test it out, and give an honest review. Once you do that, you send them over here to Amazon. And I know this isn't the right one, but then you just type in the name. So I type in, what is that, a 5-quart stand mixer. So let's type that in. So there we go, typed it in. So let's see, this one right here, Amazon's Choice. It's a KitchenAid 5-quart. It's a contour silver, $279. Normally $430. Here's one for $106. Here's one for $97. Here's one for $299. And if you remember, over on Amazon, over on their fee table, where's kitchen? Right here. So 4.5%. So again, If it costs $300, you get 4.5%. So you get like 9, you make what, $13.50 off every single sale. That's the beauty of using Amazon. That's why I like to use Amazon and recommend different products that I find on Amazon. Now, let me show you something else. So if you remember, in the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I'm going to show you something if you stick around until the end. And I'm going to show you something right now. What you got to understand is renting or buying some of this stuff, it can cost money. Obviously, it's just one of those expenses of starting your online business. But these expenses don't have to be huge. They don't have to be extravagant. Let me show you a trick that I like to use, all right? So right here, this is called jumpsend.com. So if you go to jumpsend.com, you're going to see on the top of the screen, there's going to be a bunch of different things you can click on. Click on deals, right? Now here's something cool. If you scroll up here, the discount, let's say I want 75% or more, okay? So let's say I'm going to do that. Click over here. What this means is you're going to get 75% off of these items or more by buying through this site. Here's the thing that you got to understand. This is what they're trying to get you to do. When you buy a product through jumpsend.com, you go to deals and let's say it's 95% off. All the people are wanting you to do, this is a site that I use myself as well, is when you buy the product at a discount, they want you to give them an honest review. Hopefully it's a 5-star review, but these are people trying to get their review count up over on Amazon because they're Amazon FBA sellers. And again, that's a completely different video. It's a completely different topic. You can go watch some other videos. I talk about that stuff, but that's what you gotta understand. As the buyer, you want to go back and give them an honest review. So let's talk about it. Let's say you want to review this makeup remover. It's 75% off. It's costing you about $5. So what is that? I don't know, $25 product, something like a $25 product. So if you were to sell this, you go and do an actual test and see how it works. You just check it out. Okay, is it worth $20 or $25? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Give them an honest review. Do a YouTube video on that. Okay. Again, maybe you just want to buy some stuff for Christmas or for a birthday present. Come here and do it here. This one right here, 75% off. It's a $28 watch. Okay. This one right here, it's a sleeping pad. It's $10. This one right here, it's a 3D soccer ball nightlight. It's costing you $4. Maybe you want to do a review on some different things. Let's go to categories. Let's say you want to do only home goods. Well, you gotta get rid of all of them. Deselect them all. Let's say you want to do home goods, you want to do electronics, and you want to do sports and outdoors. We'll put adult products in there too. There we go. So we have all this stuff. Okay, and you can go and you can pick. This right here, a cell phone holder. Maybe you want to do a review on that. Maybe you want to do a review on this Instant Pot pan insert. It actually looks pretty cool. For 95 cents, I think I might buy that. I might open that. I'll do that after the video. Anyway, but the whole point is, okay, look right here. For the Apple 4 watch, okay? These right here normally cost, these cases right here, normally cost about $15. You go and buy it at Target, I guarantee you can pay $15 for it all day long. But you see what I'm talking about. You can buy all this stuff for huge discounts, 90% off, okay? Maybe you don't care if it's 90% off. Maybe you want to go down and you want to be right here in the 60 to 90%. Okay, you can change it. You can do whatever you want to do. That's the best part about this, because you go and create a video on this. Okay, you create a video on the best feather rest sleeping pad. So let's go and type that in over on YouTube. So right here, it's a Yukai Outdoors Feather Rest Sleeping Pad, new, 75% off, $10. If I type in best affordable sleeping pad for camping, you can see right here TubeBuddy saying the search volume is not up there very high, but competition's right in the middle. So it's getting to the point where there might be too much competition for the amount of search volume that you have. But you look here, top 10 best sleeping pads for camping and backpacking. Maybe you change that to backpacking. Okay, let's see what it does there. That was at 36, now it's at 37, a little bit better. Okay, best expensive sleeping pad for backpacking. Maybe that one's better. That one's a little bit better. And you can just see, you can kind of go through this process, use TubeBuddy, use JumpSend, use Cater Rent, use borrow lenses, use all this stuff and try to figure out What do you have a passion for? How can you use what other people are trying to do? Like Borrow Lenses, they're trying to rent out equipment. JumpSend, they're trying to get people more reviews over on Amazon. You can use that to your advantage and make some money by buying their stuff for a lot less. So the reason why I wanted to show you how to make $100 per day by doing Amazon reviews and reviewing products over on Amazon is because it's a business that I've been doing for years. It's one of the businesses that I absolutely love. I like buying new things. I absolutely love seeing a new package come in the mail, even if it's a used product. I love going to stores, love buying these things, because I know even though it's going to cost me $40 or whatever this cost me, I know I can at least get my money back by, number one, just reviewing the product. Number two, selling the product after I use it. I'll list this over on eBay or on Amazon after I've already used it, and I'm going to sell it back. So I don't have to worry about losing a bunch of money. You buy the product, you can take it back. I don't recommend doing it on Amazon, and I know a lot of people that do. They go and buy a product, they do a review, and then they send it back to Amazon and get 100% of their money back. And I understand why they would do that, but at the same time, Amazon's really cracking down on that. Don't do that. As a seller myself, I absolutely hate that when people send an item back saying that it doesn't work when it's pretty much in brand new condition. It does work, but they just want to get it back to me without having to pay shipping. And I understand. But just know, this is legitimate business. Go use Amazon. Go use YouTube. Create a blog. Okay, build an email list. There's so many options for you. Advertise on Facebook. Again, there's so many options for you, right? If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I'll put a link down in the description box below. It's a free affiliate marketing mini course. Go check it out. Go through it. Try it. And I guarantee you're going to start making money. So again, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.